Come to next example. 9.13. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 within the bracket of square root of tan x plus square root of it is cot x into dx. So now, first of all, we have to convert it is tan x and cot x in the form of it is sin cos form. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 2 within the bracket of square root of it is sin it is x by square root of it is cos it is x as tan x, again cot x equal to square root of cos x by square root of it is sin x into it is dx. Now taking off it is common denominator, just cross product term sin x, square root of sin x into square root of sin x is sin x, square root of cos x into cos x, root of square root of cos x, it is cos x, and it is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, and denominator equal to multiply these two terms, it is square root of it is sin x into square root of it is cos it is x, and multiply the term, it is sin x, root of sin x plus root of sin x, it is sin x, root of cos x into root of cos x, it is cos it is x into it is dx. Now that is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 2, and square root of sin x into square root of cos x, we can write common square root of sin it is x into it is cos it is x, and sin x plus it is cos x as a numerator into it is dx. Now just we want to multiply and divide by it is root 2, because we can multiply it is 2 in this within the square root number 2 into sin x cos x, that is equal to sin 2x form. For that we want to multiply and divide by it is root 2 in this equation. Therefore root 2 integral 0 to pi by it is 2 into sin it is x plus it is cos it is x into dx by root it is 2 into root of sin it is x into it is cos x. Multiply and divide by it is root 2. Now this root 2 multiply into the bracket is equal to root 2 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 sin it is x plus it is cos it is x into dx by the square root of 2 into it is sin x into it is cos it is x. Now we convert this it is term square root of 2 into sin x cos x as it is some other term, and it is here you can take 1 minus of sin it is x minus cos it is x whole square. Now that is equal to 1 minus expand the value a minus b whole square form sin square it is x plus it is cos square x, then minus it is 2 times of it is sin x into it is cos it is x, and that is equal to 1 minus of within the bracket of sin x cos x value equal to is 1 minus 2 into sin it is x into it is cos it is x. Now remove the bracket, 1 minus into plus minus plus it is 2 into it is sin x into it is cos it is x. Both the ones are cancelled. That is equal to 2 times of it is sin x into it is cos it is x remaining. Now instead of the term it is 2 times of sin x it is cos x, we have to replace the term. It is what? It is 1 minus of sin x minus cos x whole square. Instead of the term 2 into sin x cos x, we have to replace 1 minus of sin x minus cos x whole square and replace here. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2, outside we have it is one more it is root 2 in the outside. Therefore numerator it is sin it is x into it is plus it is cos it is x into it is dx by, instead of the term it is 2 square root of it is 2 into sin x cos x, we have to replace 1 minus of within the bracket of it is sin it is x minus cos it is x whole square. So instead of term 2 into sin x cos x, we have to replace 1 minus of sin x minus cos x whole square. Now this it is equation we have to take that is equal to, supposed to be, you can call this equation equal to 1. Now we want to put the within the bracket term sin x minus cos x that is equal to u. The u that is equal to sin x minus it is cos it is x. Differentiate on both sides by it is x. Therefore du differentiation of u equal to the du that is equal to differentiation of sin equal to cos x minus differentiation of sin equal to minus it is cos equal to minus sin x. Differentiation of u equal to du that is equal to sin x differentiation equal to cos x minus cos x differentiation equal to minus sin x. Minus it is sin x into it is dx. Now cos it is x minus minus plus it is sin it is x into it is dx. Instead of the term sin x plus cos x dx, we want to replace the term it is du. So instead of the term sin x plus cos x into dx, we have to replace the term is called du. Now the variable x variable changing into it is u variable. We want to find out as it is a range. Therefore, the range of the function, the given it is x, the range of 0 and it is pi by it is 2. And u at z put it is 0 for this equation. U is equal to put as it is lower limit x that is equal to 0 and sin 0 minus it is cos 0 that is equal to sin 0 equal to 0 minus cos 0 equal to 1 that is equal to minus 1. Then put x value equal to it is pi by it is 2 that is equal to u equal to what? Sin it is x value equal to pi by 2 minus it is cos it is pi by it is 2 that is equal to sin 90 degree equal to 1 minus cos 90 degree equal to 0 that is equal to 1. Therefore, it is minus 1 and plus it is 1. Minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore, the last it is equation, the one that is implies that is equal to the root it is 2 outside integral instead of 0 to 90 we can write minus 1 to plus 1. 0 to 90 we can write minus 1 to plus 1. Then sin x plus cos x dx. Sin x plus cos x into dx we can write du. Du by the square root of 1 minus and this total term is considered as equal to u. Therefore, u square. It is u square. Come to the next line. That is equal to integration of dx by square root of 1 minus it is x square that is equal to sin inverse of it is x integral formula. Therefore, instead of x we have u integral du by square root of 1 minus it is u square is called sin inverse of u. Therefore, root it is 2 outside into sin it is inverse of u. The limits are minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1. Now apply the upper limit value minus lower limit value. Root it is 2 into within the bracket sin it is inverse of plus it is 1 minus sin it is inverse of it is minus it is 1. Now we know the trigonometrical formula. Sin it is inverse of minus it is theta that is equal to minus it is sin it is inverse of it is plus it is theta. Now apply this formula that is equal to root 2 within the bracket of it is sin inverse of it is 1 then minus of minus it is sin it is inverse of it is plus it is 1. Now apply sin inverse of minus theta equal to minus sin inverse of plus it is theta that is equal to root 2 within the bracket of it is sin it is inverse of it is plus 1 minus into minus plus it is sin inverse of it is plus it is 1. So it is the same term 2 times that is equal to root 2 into 2 times of it is sin inverse of it is 1. And now we know the sin, what value of the sin it is 1, it is 90 degree. Therefore, that is equal to root 2 within the bracket of 2 times of it is pi by it is 2. Pi by 2 is called it is sin it is 1 value equal to 1. Sin 90 equal to value equal to 1. Therefore, 2 2 are it is cancelled. That is equal to pi into it is root 2. Therefore, root 2 into it is pi. That is finally it is a simplification. The next example 9.15 evaluate integral minus 4 to plus 4 modulus of x plus 3 into dx. So now we have to evaluate integral minus 4 to plus it is 4 modulus of x plus it is 3 into dx. So modulus given, so we have to find out as it is modulus value approximately first. Just we have to plot the modulus value in the graph. Now the x values are belongs to it is minus 4 to plus it is 4. Therefore, first we have to take x value equal to minus it is 4. That implies it is f of it is x that is called it is modulus of it is x plus it is 3. Now put it is x value equal to 4. That is equal to f of it is 4. That is equal to modulus of f of it is minus it is 4. That is equal to minus 4 plus it is 3. That is equal to minus it is 1 within the modulus. That is equal to plus it is 1. Put x value equal to minus it is 3. That implies it is f of minus 3. That is equal to modulus of minus 3 plus it is 3. That is equal to 0. Put x is equal to minus 2. That implies it is f of minus 2. That is equal to modulus of minus 2 plus it is 3. That is equal to modulus of 1. That is equal to 1. Put x equal to minus it is 1. That implies f of minus 1. That is equal to modulus of minus 1 plus it is 3. That is equal to modulus of 2. That is equal to plus 2. Put x equal to 0. And f of it is 0. That is equal to modulus of 0 plus 3. That is equal to plus 3. Then put x equal to 1. That implies f of it is 1. That is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. That is equal to 4. And put x equal to it is 2. That implies f of it is 2. That is equal to modulus of 2 plus it is 3. That is equal to 5. And put x is equal to 3. That implies it is f of it is 3. That is equal to 3 plus it is 3. That is equal to 6. Then it is x equal to it is 4. That implies it is f of it is 4. That is equal to 4 plus it is 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, minus it is 4. The corresponding function value equal to plus it is 1. Minus 4 it is plus it is 1. Then minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. Then minus 2 comma plus it is 1. Minus 2 comma plus it is 1. Then minus 1 comma plus it is 2, minus 1 comma plus it is 2, then 0 comma 3, 0 comma it is 3, 1 comma 4, plus 1 comma it is 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma it is 5, then 3 comma 6, 3 comma it is 6, and 4 comma it is 7. Now just to join the points, we get it is a straight line. Now we get as a equation the function f of it is x that is equal to modulus of x plus it is 3 and this is a curve. Here boundaries are given. One of the boundaries called x that is equal to minus it is 4. Another it is boundary is given. Another boundary is given. It is x that is equal to plus it is 4. Therefore we have to find out as it is the area obtained in the interval of minus 4 to plus it is minus 4 to minus 3 and minus 3 to plus it is 4. And this it is total area we have to find out as it is interval by applying of integral. But no need of find out as area, but we find out integration only. Therefore, the interval minus 4 to plus 4 divided into two interval. One is called minus 4 to minus 3 and it is minus 3 to plus it is 4. Therefore, and applying of it is concept of it is modulus f of it is x that is equal to modulus of it is x that is equal to if x value is less than 0, if x value is less than 0, the modulus of x equal to minus it is x. If it is x value is greater than or equal to 0, the modulus of x that is equal to plus x. Therefore, given f of it is x that is equal to modulus of x plus it is 3, then if it is x plus it is 3 less than it is 0, then modulus value equal to minus of it is x plus 3. If it is x plus it is 3 is greater than or equal to 0 and modulus value equal to x plus 3 positive value. Therefore, that implies it is just transfer the 3 aside, x is less than it is minus 3 and transfer the term x is greater than or equal to 3. If x value is less than it is 3, minus it is what? Minus 3 only greatest value, minus 4, minus it is 5, minus 6, etc. For all the value, the function value equal to minus of x plus it is 3. X is greater than or equal to 3. X takes the value equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. That value, the function value equal to x plus 3. And this is the modulus of x plus 3. That depends upon the value of x less than minus 3. X is greater than or equal to plus 3. Now I find out as it is by graphically method or applying of it is modulus method to find out value. Therefore, our limit from minus 4 to plus it is 4. From minus 4 to plus 4, it is divided into The given integral minus 4 to plus it is 4 modulus of x plus it is 3 into dx, and it is split into integral minus it is 4 to minus 3 into modulus of it is x plus it is 3, modulus of x plus 3 we have it is minus. Modulus of x plus 3 is equal to what? Minus of it is x plus 3 into it is dx. Then plus it is integral minus 3 to plus it is 4. Minus 3 to plus it is 4. Sorry, minus 3 to plus it is 4. X value x greater than or equal to minus 3. Therefore, x value equal to minus 3. The value of function of it is x is equal to minus x plus 3 if it is x is less than 3. The function f of x equal to x plus 3 if x value equal to x greater than or equal to minus 3. Therefore, minus 4 to minus 3, the function value equal to minus of x plus 3, and minus 3 to plus it is 4, the function value equal to x plus 3 into dx. Now, we obtain it is 2, it is interval, depends upon it is value of it is x. Now, we have to integrate. That is equal to integral, write a minus outside, it is minus 4 to minus 3, x plus it is 3 into it is dx plus integral minus 3 to plus it is 4, x plus it is 3 into dx. Now, integration, ordinary integration value, that is equal to integral minus within the bracket of integration of dx, integration of it is dx, the power is called 1 form, that is equal to x power it is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. By applying of integral formula, x power it is n into dx is equal to x power it is n plus it is 1 by n plus 1. Apply this integral formula. Therefore, integration of it is x equal to x power it is 1 plus it is 1 by it is 1 plus 1. Integration of 3. Integration of it is constant term k into dx. We can write 3 outside. K into integration of it is dx, that is equal to k into integration of dx is equal to x. Therefore, plus it is 3 into x. The limits are minus 4 to minus it is 3. Then plus similarly, integrate value, integration of it is x power 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus it is 1 plus 3 into integration of dx equal to x. The limits are minus 3 to it is plus it is 4. Now just simplification. That is equal to minus outside x square by 2. X square by it is 2 plus it is 3x. The limits are minus 4 to minus 3 plus within the bracket of x square by it is 2 plus it is 3x. The limits are it is minus 3 to plus it is 4. Now just we have to substitute it is upper limit, lower limit value, that is equal to minus it is within the bracket of apply upper limit value minus 3 whole square by it is 2 plus it is 3 into minus 3 upper limit value minus lower limit equal to minus of minus it is 4 it is whole square by it is 2, then plus 3 into minus it is 4, it is lower limit value, upper limit value minus lower limit value. Now again next to term plus within the bracket upper limit equal to 4, therefore it is 4 it is whole square by 2 plus 3 into it is 4 upper limit value minus lower limit equal to minus 3, therefore it is minus it is 3 whole square by it is 2 plus it is 3 into minus it is 3, it is lower limit value. Just simplification. Now it is minus within the bracket of minus 3 plus it is 9 by 2 plus minus into plus minus in plus into minus it is 9 within the bracket minus of, and then minus plus it is 16 by it is 2 and minus it is 12 first term, then plus second term, and 4 into 4 16 by it is 2 plus it is 12 within the bracket minus within the bracket of minus 3 plus it is 9 by it is 2, then minus it is 9. Just remove all the brackets. Now that is equal to minus within the bracket of it is 9 by 2 and it is minus it is 9, then minus 16 by 2 minus plus it is 12 first bracket, then plus it is 16 by it is 2 plus it is 12, then it is minus it is 9 by 2 minus plus it is 9 second bracket. Just it is remove this brackets. and that is equal to minus within the bracket of, take it as common denominator, that is equal to 2, take it common denominator equal to 9, multiply it is 2, multiplied by it is 2, it is minus it is 18, then it is minus it is 16 as it is, then multiplied by it is 2, it is plus it is 20, it is 4. First one, plus the second bracket similarly, take common denominator equal to 2, 16 as it is, and then multiplied by it is 2, it is 20, it is 4, and multiply and minus it is 9 as it is, and plus it is multiplied by it is 2, it is 18, and that is equal to minus within the bracket of, it is minus denominator equal to 2, add a value equal to, it is 33, and then adding the value it is 14, numerator 1 it is 34, 30 it is 4. So therefore it is minus 34 and plus it is 33, it is minus it is 1. Minus it is 1 remaining, plus it is, and similarly here 16 plus it is 24 plus it is 18, 10 it is 18, numerator it is 1, it is 4, no, it is 4, 5, it is 50, it is 58, then it is separated by it is 9, it is 40, 40 it is 9, then 49 by it is 2. That is equal to minus plus it is 1 by 2 plus 49 by it is 2. That is equal to, take it is common denominator equal to 2, it is 1 plus it is 40, it is 9. That is equal to, it is 50 by 2, that is equal to 20, it is 5. Therefore final simplification, that is equal to 25. The next example, 9.16. Show that integral 0 to pi by 8 is 2 dx by 4 plus sine 5 into sin x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 plus 5 sin x, that is equal to 1 by it is 3 into log 2 base e. Log 2 base e, we want to show that. So here we have to take, put it is u that is equal to tan x by it is 2. Now we are applying formula, sin it is 2x that is equal to 2 into tan x by 1 plus it is tan square x, we know it is trigonometrical 2 angle formula. Now the angles are divided by 2, therefore it is sin it is 2x by 2 that is equal to 2 into tan x by it is 2 by 1 plus it is tan square x by it is 2. Now 2 are cancelled, it is sin x that is equal to 2 into tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square, it is x by it is 2. It is a sin value. Now in this it is sin, just we are applying of it is u equal to tan x by u. Therefore what is it? Sin it is x that is equal to 2 time of it is tan x by 2 equal to u by 1 plus tan x by it is 2 equal to u, it is u square, it is u square. It is called as sin x value. U equal to tan x by it is 2, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of it is u equal to du, is equal to differentiation of sin tan x equal to what? Differentiate with respect to it is tan it is theta, that is equal to secant square it is theta. Here it is supposed to be d by it is dx of it is tan it is a theta, that is equal to a into it is secant square it is a theta, that is formula. Because quotient of it is theta, along with it is a, therefore a into secant square it is a theta. Here it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is called a here, therefore it is 1 by 2 into secant square it is x by 2 into it is dx into dx. Du is equal to 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 into dx. It is called, it is du value. Now we have to convert x variable to it is u variable. Find out as it is a range. The range from x to it is u, x range are 0 to 90, 0 to it is pi by 2 90. Put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, tan 0 by it is 2, it is tan 0 equal to 0, 0. and then it is put x value equal, it is tan, it is pi by it is 2. What is that? Tan it is x value equal to pi by it is 2 by it is 2. That is equal to tan it is pi by it is 4. Tan it is 45 degrees called pi by 4 value equal to 1. Therefore it is tan it is pi by 4 equal to 1. This value of it is tan value equal to x value equal to 90. X equal 90, then corresponding u value equal to what? It is 1. It is 1. Now come to here. du, that is equal to 1 by 2 into secant it is square of x by it is 2 into dx. And just we have to find out as dx value. Therefore multiply 2 time of it is du by cross product this it is secant square x by 2. Secant square it is x by it is 2, that is equal to d it is x. Now secant square value equal to what? It is 1 plus it is tan square. Therefore it is 2 times of it is du by 1 plus it is tan square. 1 plus it is tan square it is x by it is 2, that is equal to d it is x. Therefore 2 into du by it is 1 plus tan value equal to what? Tan x by 2 equal to u. Tan x by 2 equal to u. Therefore it is u square. It is u square, that is equal to dx. Okay, dx that is value equal to 2 times of du by 1 plus it is u square. Sin x equal to 2 times of u by 1 plus it is u square. Now come to the main sum. Now what is given equation? Integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 dx by 4 plus 5 times of it is sin it is x, and that is equal to integral it is instead of 0 to 9 we have to replace value equal for it is 0 to 1 for a u variable. X limits are 0 to it is 90, but u variable are 0 to it is 1, 0 to it is 1. Then it is numerator it is what? Dx. Dx we have to dx that is equal to what? Dx that is equal to 2 times of 2 in times of du by it is 1 plus it is 1 plus dx that is equal to 2 times of du by 1 plus it is u square. 1 plus u square by 4 plus 5 into sin x. 4 plus 5 sin x value equal to what? Sin x equal to within the bracket of 2u by 1 plus it is u square. Therefore once again dx that is equal to what? Dx equal to 2 into du by 1 plus it is u square, it is called dx. Just we have to replace numerator. 4 plus 5 into sin x. Sin x that is equal to 2u by 1 plus u square. So 4 plus 5 into sin x that is equal to 2u by 1 plus it is u square. Now just simplify integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. 2 into du by 1 plus it is u square as it is numerator. Just taking off common denominator for denominator equal 1 plus u square, just multiply the 1 plus u square with 4. Therefore common denominator equal to 1 plus it is u square for denominator. Just cross product term 4 into 1 plus it is u square plus it is 5. 5 into 2 is called 10, it is u. Just multiply the denominator with it is 4. 4 times of 1 plus u square plus it is 5 into 2 is called 10 into u. And that is equal to that is equal to integral 0 to it is 1. 2 it is into d it is u by 1 plus it is u square. Then by just multiply 4 it is plus it is 4 it is u square plus it is 10 it is u, and by it is 1 plus it is u square. Now both the denominator and numerator have same denominator, both are just cancelled. Both are cancelled. What is remaining? Integral 0 to it is 1. 2 times of it is du by it is we possible to take it is 2 is commonly. Take 2 commonly. 2 plus 2 it is u square plus it is 5 into u. Therefore we can 2 or it is cancelled. What is remaining? That is equal to integral it is du by it is 2 plus 2 it is u square plus it is 5u. The limits are 0 and it is 1. Now this it is denominator we have to applying of it is completing square method to simplify the denominator. Come to next line. The final step, integral 0 to 1 du by 2 plus 2u square plus it is 5u. Now first of all we have to take integral, it is 0 to 1 du by, take 2 from, it is common from denominator, it is 1 plus, we can take 2 is commonly, and 1 plus u square plus it is 5 by it is 2 into u. Now write as 1 by 2 outside, it is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to it is 1 du by it is u square plus it is 5 by it is 2 into u plus it is 1. Now using of it is completing square method to find out as it is square form denominator, how to it is simplify. Now we can take it is this denominator separate term, here u square plus it is 5 by 2 into u plus it is 1. Now completing square method to convert the term, u it is whole square plus it is 2 into u, then it is 5 by u, we need a 5 and denominator equal to 2, therefore it is multiply 5 by it is 4. So if you cancel the term, you get 5 by it is 2 into u, therefore the a square plus 2 into a into b, a square plus 2 into a into b, b value equal 5 by 2, we need as it is b square is called 5 by it is 4 whole square minus it is 5 by it is 4 it is whole square, again we have remaining plus it is 1. So convert it is a square form, and u square at a u whole square minus plus it is 2 into u, and then we need to get a term, it is 5 by 2 into u. So we have to multiply with 5 by it is 4, and 2 4s will cancel, remaining it is 2. Therefore, and a square plus 2 into a into b, therefore b value here what? 5 by 2. So we need b square, therefore it is 5 by it is 4 whole square. We are adding off it is 5 by it is 4 whole square. We need to subtracting off it is 5 by 2. 5 by it is 4 whole square. Therefore 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus and minus. Again we remaining it is one more, it is plus. Now what we have to do? First 3 term form a square from a equal to u and b equal to 5 by it is 4, and then it is a plus form, that is equal to u plus 5 by it is 4 it is whole square, then minus square the value it is 25 by it is 16 plus it is 1. Now simplify just this term, that is equal to u plus 5 by it is 4 whole square, and then plus minus 25 plus it is, take the common denominator, plus it is 16 by it is plus 16, that is equal to u plus 5 by it is 4 whole square, then it is minus it is 9 by it is 16, and that is equal to u plus 5 by it is 4 it is whole square minus it is 3 by it is 4, 3 by minus we can write plus and minus 3, 9 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 it is whole square. Therefore applying of it is the last it is a term, the last term u square plus 5 by 2 u 5 by 2 into u plus it is 1, we can rewrite the term is called u plus it is 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 it is whole square in this last integral, and supposed to be the last integral value you can consider is equal to 1. Therefore the equation it is 1, that implies that is equal to integral value equal to, and before the integral we have 1 by 2, 1 by it is 2, integral 0 to it is 1 du by, instead of this term we have to replace a term, it is u plus it is 5 by it is 4 whole square minus it is 3 by it is 4 it is whole square. Now we have the formula for this integration, the integration in the form of integral dx by x square minus it is a square, that is equal to 1 by 2 it is a into it is log of x minus a by x plus it is a. This applying of this, it is integral formula. Integral dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a into log of minus here x minus a by x plus it is a. Here x equal to u plus 5 by it is 4, then a equal to 3 by it is 4. Therefore that is equal to 1 by 2 integration of this value equal to what? 1 by 2 into a. What is a here? 3 by 2. A equal to 3 by it is 4. A value equal to 3 by 4, and then into log of within the bracket x value, what is x? U plus it is 5 by it is 4 is called x minus a equal to 3 by it is 4. Then by x plus it is a, u plus it is 5 by it is 4 plus it is a value equal to 3 by it is 4. The limits are, what is limit? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Again, once again, integral it is du by the term it is called it is x square minus a square. Integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 a into log of x minus a by x plus a. Here it is x equal to u plus 5 by 4, a equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, 1 by 2 it is already we have outside, and within the bracket integration of this term equal to 1 by 2 into a equal to 3 by 4. Log of x equal to u plus it is 5 by 4 minus it is a value equal to 3 by 4 by x plus it is a, u plus it is 5 by 4 plus it is 3 by 4. It is integrated, upper limit values are 0 and it is 1. Now, just it is simplification. Applying of it is upper limit y limit value, and that is equal to 1 by 2 in the outside within the bracket, and just cancel it is 2. Therefore, it is 1 by 3 by it is 2 remaining, and log of within the bracket of and u, and taking common denominator u plus 5 minus 3 by it is 4 by u plus 5 plus it is 3 by it is 4. The limits are it is 0 1 1 as it is. That is equal to 1 by 2 within the bracket of, take the 3 by 2 we can write as it is 2 by it is 3 log of within the bracket of u plus 5 minus 3 is called 2 by it is 4 equal to 1 by it is 2 by u plus and 5 plus it is 3 is called 8 by 4 equal to 2, and then it is the intervals are 0 and it is 1. Now the 2 to r it is cancelled, and that is equal to 1 by 3 we can write outside in the outside bracket log of it is within the bracket u plus 1 by 2 by u plus it is 2. The limits are 0 and it is 1 as it is. Now come next line, just apply upper limit value and lower limit value. That is equal to 1 by 3 outside log of within the bracket of u value put it is 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 by it is 2 by 1 plus 2, it is upper limit value. Then minus log of u value equal to 0. Therefore it is 0 plus it is 1 by 2 by 0 plus it is 2. It is y limit value. That is equal to 1 by 3 within the bracket log of, and take common denominator, it is 3 by, now 2 plus this one is called 3 by, it is 3 by 2 by it is a 3 minus log of within the bracket of it is 1 by 2 by it is a 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 within the bracket of the 2 comes denominator, log of it is 3 by it is 2 into 3, then minus it is log of it is 2 comes denominator, it is 1 by it is 4, and 3 are cancelled. It is equal to 1 by 3 log of it is 1 by 2 minus it is log of it is 1 by it is 4. Now applying of log m minus log n property, and that is equal to outside we have 1 by 3 log of it is 1 by 2 by it is 1 by it is 4. Log of log m minus log n equal to log m by n. That is equal to 1 by 3 in the outside log of within the bracket 1 by 2, take reciprocal 4 by it is 1 and cancel it is 2 times. That is equal to 1 by 2 into log 1 by 3 into log of it is 2 is remaining in the term. That we have lost it is simplification. We have to show that 1 by 3 into log it is 2 base it is e. Come to next, it is example 9.17. Prove that integral 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x into dx that is equal to pi by it is 4. So now the given left hand side equation, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 sin 2x by sin power it is 4x plus cos power 4x into it is dx. Now sin power 4x we can write sin square x whole square. This equal integral 0 to pi by it is 4 sin 2x into dx as it is by sine square x, it is whole square. Let us multiply term, we get sine power 4x. Similarly it is plus cos square x, it is whole square. We know the formula a plus it is b, it is whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now just transfer the term to left hand side equation, will get us it is a square plus b square value. Therefore a square plus b square is equal to a plus it is b whole square minus 2 it is ab. Now here a is equal to what? Here a square plus b square, a value equal to sin square, b value equal to cos square. Therefore a square value equal to sin square x, then b equal to cos square it is x. So that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 as it is. Numerator it is sin it is 2x into dx also as it is by. Then a square plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here what is a plus b? A equal to sin square it is x plus it is cos square it is x. A plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b sin square it is x into cos it is square it is x. A square plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 into ab. Therefore sin square plus cos square equal to value equal to 1, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 4, numerator it is sin 2x into dx as it is by sin square plus cos square equal to 1. 1 square is called 1 minus 2 into sin square it is x into it is cos square it is x. So in this last term, just we have to multiply and divide by it is a 2 because and sin square cos square square form and 2 also we convert as square form. We want to multiply and divide it is 2 in this second term. Therefore that is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 4. The numerator it is sin 2x into dx as it is by 1 minus, we have to multiply, divided by it is 2 and multiply by it is 2 into it is 2 into it is sin square it is x into cos square x as it is. Now 2 into 2 it is 4. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 4 sin 2x into dx as it is 1 minus 1 by 2 as it is, and right as it is 2 into 2 it is called 4, and right as it is 2 square sin square cos square the same, it is bracket 2 into it is sin x into cos it is x whole square. 2 2s are it is 4, then 2 into 2 it is called it is 2 square sin square x cos square x if we get inside the bracket. Now we know the formula, it is sin it is 2 theta equal to 2 into it is sin theta into it is cos theta. Therefore replace 2 times of sin x cos x equal to sin it is 2x. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by 4 sin it is 2x into dx by 1 minus 1 by 2 within the bracket of this term is called as sin square. Sin it is 2x, it is whole square. Now get the square into the bracket, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 sin it is 2 it is x into dx by 1 minus 1 by 2, the square will come inside the bracket is sin square 2 it is x. The next line, just taking common denominator, is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by 4 as it is sin 2 it is x into dx also as it is. Take multiplication, 2 minus it is sin square it is 2 it is x by it is 2. The 2 goes to it is numerator, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4. Then it is 2 into sin it is 2x into dx by 2 minus sin square we can write it is 1 minus it is cos square it is 2 into x. Here theta value 2x, sin square it is theta equal to 1 minus cos square it is theta. Now just remove the bracket, it is equal to integral, you can write 2 outside, 2 into sin it is 2x into dx by 2 minus into plus minus 1 and minus minus plus it is cos square it is 2 into x. Now minus 2 minus 1 equal to plus it is 1. Plus 1 into cos square it is 2x, next line. Therefore, that is equal to 2 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 sin it is 2x into dx by 1 plus cos square it is 2 it is x. This is the final simplification. Now, we have to take the term, square term that is equal to u. Now, put u that is equal to cos 2 it is x. Now, put as it is now consider what? The square term. That is cos 2x is called square term, that will consider as equal to u. Differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of u equal to du, and differentiation of cos become minus it is sin it is 2x. Again we have to differentiate 2 and 2x differentiate it is equal to again it is dx. Differentiation of it is sin become minus it is differentiation of cos become minus sin. But theta equal to 2x, again we have to differentiate 2x, differentiation of 2x equal to 2 is called quotient term and x differentiation with respect to x it is 1. Therefore simply 2x differentiation equal to 2 into it is dx. And that is equal to minus 2 into sin 2x into it is dx, that is equal to du. But we have the numerator, it is what? It is simply we can write 2 inside the bracket. Therefore it is 2 here. Therefore minus multiplied minus into du is equal to 2 times of sin it is 2x into dx. Now what is it? 2 times of sin 2x into dx we can rewrite as a minus it is a du. Minus it is a du. So now what we have to do to find out as range from it is x to it is u. Therefore range x range are 0 to pi by it is 4, 0 to pi by 4, and u put it is x value equal to 0. What is that x value equal to 0? Put x equal to 0, that implies it is u equal to cos 2 into 0. It is equal to cos it is 0, that is equal to 1. And put x value equal to 0, corresponding u value equal to 1. Put x equal to pi by it is 4 is called upper limit value, and that is implies u equal to cos 2 into it is pi by it is 4. That is equal to cos, cancel the value it is 2, it is called pi by it is 2, cos 90 equal to 0, cos 90 equal to 0. Now, we have to write this interval, the last it is equation, this is called last equation, integral 0 to pi by it is 4, 2 times of sin x 2x, sin 2x into dx. Integral it is 0 to pi by 4, 2 into sin 2x dx by 1 plus cos square 2x we can write as what? 2 times of sin 2x dx we can write minus du. So integration from it is 0 to it is pi by 4 we can write 1 to 0. 1 to 0. The numerator term 2 times of it is sin 2x dx that is equal to minus du. Minus it is du by 1 plus cos 2x. Cos 2x we can consider u. It is u square. So 1 plus it is u square. So we can write minus outside, that is equal to minus integral it is 1 to 0 du by 1 plus it is u square. Now integrate value, integral it is dx by 1 plus it is x square, that is equal to tan inverse of it is x. Integration of dx by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of it is x. Therefore, integration of du by 1 plus u square, that is equal to tan inverse of it is u. That is equal to minus outside tan inverse of it is u. And the limits are it is 1 and 0. That is equal to minus within the bracket. Apply upper limit value. Tan inverse of it is 0 minus it is tan inverse of it is 1. That is upper limit equal to 0, lower limit equal to 1. Now that is equal to minus within the bracket, and what value of tan equal to 0? Tan 0 equal to 0. Tan 0 equal to 0, and what value of it is tan it is 1, it is pi by 4, 45 degree, pi by 4. Now that is equal to 0 cancel, minus minus plus, it is pi by it is 4, and that we want to show. Therefore final simplification, the right hand side is equal to left hand side, pi by it is 4. Come to next example. Example number it is 9.18. Prove that integral 0 to pi by 4 dx by a square sin square x plus it is b square cos square x, that is equal to 1 by a into b. 1 by a into b into tan inverse of b by a where a and b are greater than 0. A, b are positive value. Now again we can take left hand side equation that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 dx by a square into sin square it is x plus b square into cos square it is x. Now in this it is equation just we have to commonly divided by numerator denominator it is divided by it is cos square x. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 1 by it is cos square it is x into dx, just it is multiply by 1 by it is cos square x numerator, again denominator also multiply by 1 by cos square x. Therefore sin square a square into sin square x by it is cos square it is x plus it is b square into cos square it is x by it is cos square it is x. So cos square will cancel, sin by cos equal to tan square, 1 by cos square equal to secant square, and that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 4 numerator 1 by cos square equal to secant square it is x into dx by a square into sin square by cos square equal to tan square, it is a square into it is tan square x plus it is b square cos square cancel plus it is b square. Now in this it is equation just we can take it as tan x that is equal to u and put it is u that is equal to tan it is x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x, tan u that is equal to differentiation of secant tan x that is equal to secant square. Differentiation of it is tan x equal to secant square it is x into it is dx. Now instead of the numerator secant square x dx we have to replace du. Therefore we need to find out what? Find out a range from x to it is u. Therefore the limits x from 0 to pi by 4, 0 to it is pi by it is 4, then u, put u x value equal to 0, tan 0 equal to 0. Put it is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 equal to what? Tan 45 degree equal to 1, therefore 1. Therefore x range from it is 0 to it is pi by 4, u range equal to 0 to 1. Therefore now what is that? The last integral value that is equal to, instead of 0 to pi by 4 we have to write as 0 to 1. Integral 0 to it is 1 secant square x dx, secant square x dx we can write du. It is du by a square into tan square is what? Tan equal to u, therefore a square into u square plus it is b, a square into u square plus it is b square. Now this denominator we can take a square as commonly, therefore integral 0 to 1 it is du by take it is a square commonly, u square plus it is b square by it is a square. Again take a square outside the integral, 1 by a square integral 0 to it is 1 du by u square plus it is b by it is a it is whole square. Now this integration in the form of integral it is dx by x square plus it is a square form, and that is equal to 1 by a into tan it is inverse of it is x by it is a. Now applying of it is integral formula, integral dx by x square plus it is a square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here it is x is called u, a is called b by it is a. So apply the formula, next line, that is equal to 1 by a square as it is, the integration of it is dx by u square plus it is b by it is b by it is a whole square, we can write 1 by a is called what? B by it is a. Therefore 1 by b by it is a is called a, tan it is inverse of x is called u by a is called b by it is a. The limits are 0 and it is 1, 0 and it is 1. Integral du by u square plus it is b by a whole square in the form of it is integral dx by x square plus a square, that is equal to 1 by a. What is a? 1 by it is a value equal to b by it is a, tan inverse of x, what is x here? U by a, what is a? B by it is a. The limits are 0 and it is 1, 0 and 1 it is as it is. Now that is equal to 1 by a square, and this term keep outside into a by it is b, and within the bracket tan inverse of it is, and we can rewrite as it is au by it is b. The limits are 0 and it is 1 as it is. Now 1a will cancel, 1 by ab remaining within the bracket of tan inverse of it is, upper limit put u value equal to, put it is u value equal to 1. Therefore a into 1 by it is b minus it is tan inverse of it is a, and lower limit equal to 0 by it is b. That is equal to 1 by ab within the bracket of tan inverse of it is a by it is b minus tan inverse of 0 by 0 it is 0. Therefore tan inverse of 0 equal to 0. Tan inverse of 0 equal to 0. Since tan it is inverse of 0, that is equal to 0. Tan 0 equal to 0. Therefore 0. Therefore 0 will cancel. That is equal to 1 by ab into tan inverse of a by it is b. That is our it is right hand side equation. Therefore left hand side, that is equal to right hand side equation. The final simplification. The remaining of exercise problem, remaining of example sums that we'll see the next day this class. Thank you one and all.